Continuing with our little mini adventure and another beautiful garden. So we're coming in to this hive, and you can see the occasional bee swimming past. Yep, they seem to be going at it with great vigor. Let's go and have a look at another one. Alright, continuing with garden tours. Here's another beautiful garden, another hive. This one doesn't have any bees in. So I've got some lure. I'm going to go and bait it over there. How stunning is this garden, this natural meadow. Stunning, stunning garden. Let's give this guy a bit of lure. Oh, hang on. There's a bee. Oh no, we've got bees. Okay, so no need. So we've got bees. So there's no need for the lure. Interesting. Oh, that's happened in the last couple of days. Let's go and have a look at another hive. Yeah, we got bees. That's it. Very cool. Right, so another garden, another meadow, and another beehive. Let's just see how these guys are getting on. Spin you around. There we go. Obviously you don't need as big a garden as this. We have in a meadow. Just need the little distance in front of it. That's fairly open. And then they can do their own thing. Yep, these guys are going along very nicely. This is a really cool location here. As you can see, I'm standing to the one side of the hive, not directly in front of the hive. However, they are flying off to the one side. So as you can see, I'm standing to the one side. However, with this one, they're not actually flying straight out. They're flying actually down that way. So you can see that at the entrance they're really busy, but as soon as you get to about 5 meters out, you can't even notice that there's any bees flying around. Very cool. Very cool. Let's go and have a look at another one. Here we have what I think is half veggie garden, half flower garden, and a bit of an orchard. Stunning garden. Lovely little orchard. Let's see how these guys are doing on. How are they getting on? This is not your normal sort of location because it's really quite forested in, and they seem to be flying up this way. But these guys seem to be really busy and happy as well. Oh, they seem to be doing really well. Very cool. Right, should we have a look at another one then? Right, how cool is this little garden? Some fruit trees. And at the back here, through all the bushes, we have a hive. Let's see if there were bees in here. Let's see if there's still bees in it. Down here. And dun, dun, dun. Yay! Look at that. Happy little bees. This one's a bit full in the sunshine. And they all seem to be going off that way. These guys are fanning quite hard. I think it's getting a bit warm inside there. Another extraordinary garden. Got a croquet going on. There's a hive over here. But this one doesn't have any bees in, I'm pretty sure. So we'll give it a bit of a bait, and see if we can't attract anything in. So we'll take the lid off, our lure, give it a squirt. There we go. Done, that's all it needs. But in this warm weather, at least once a week or so, these guys got a nice little hidden spot over here. Very nice. This is a window hive. A latch on the side. Open it up, have a look inside. Yeah, looks like a bee's tried to get in there. The bee caught in a cobweb. Let me get a long stick and take some of those cobwebs out.